ask you this, Dr. Akashdeep Muni. What is this new conspiracy theory that Bharatiya Janata Party is personally going to the Hathini Kund barrage and is releasing water towards Delhi? Bharatiya Janata Party, not an engineer, not the Water Commission, but perhaps Mr. Modi himself is standing there. वो एक टैप खोल रहे हैं, एक टैप बंद कर रहे हैं, एक टैप खोल रहे हैं, एक टैप बंद कर रहे हैं. Are you serious?
मोदी जी फ्रांस में हैं, वो अपना टूर कर रहे हैं आराम से, उनको देश की कोई परवाह नहीं. परवाह होती तो देश में होते. ठीक है, पहली बात, वो बराज, दैट बराज इज मेंटेन्ड बाय हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट एंड द हरियाणा, इट हैज बीन the log records of that particular barrage has been put on public from 9th to 13th. It showed that they have released only water throughout in the western front, that is towards Delhi, and they have left the eastern front vacant, that is Uttar Pradesh. If both the places water would have been diverted, things would have been different. In the case, see, there has been no rain since last 4 days in Delhi, so water comes from Haryana and goes to Uttar Pradesh. If water is not listen to me, now coming of the water is let Haryana is providing all the water to Delhi, all the flood water. Now that water has to leave from Delhi. So while that water has to leave from Delhi, the gates which are maintained by Haryana, that ITO barrage, that gates were also jammed. That has been opened by Delhi government. So Haryana government did not do that, or that is.
So let's just first of all, Dr. Akashdeep Muni. So I will again put it very simply. I explained it at the top, but just to paraphrase you again, you are basically saying 2 canals, one coming towards Delhi, one going towards Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh canal, no water. Delhi canal, lots of water. Haryana government is doing this, right? That's your theory?
Yes.
Now, do you know, by the way, that in the western Yamuna canal, there are at least 3 districts of Haryana that also come in the way. The Haryana government will have to be a very stupid government or really hate Mr. Kejriwal to say, जैसे कहते हैं ना, हम तो ले डूबेंगे सनम, हम तो डूबेंगे सनम, तुम्हें भी ले डूबेंगे. तो खट्टर जी लिटरली वही कर रहे हैं कि हम भी डूबेंगे सनम, तुम्हें ले डूबेंगे. तो वो कह रहे हैं कि चलो दिल्ली को डुबाने के लिए मैं हरियाणा को भी डुबो देता हूं.
नहीं, मैं रेडी हूं उसके लिए.
तो मिस्टर खट्टर, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, इज रिलीजिंग वाटर deliberately in the western Yamuna canal, knowing that his own state will be affected, just to drown people of Delhi. That is your theory?
The point which I am making is that you are talking about Haryana. The condition of Haryana is so poor that people of Haryana are slapping MLAs.
You are dodging my question. You are dodging my question. Answer the question, sir. If you have such a profound conspiracy theory, if you have such a profound conspiracy theory, let's talk on facts. You said the Haryana government maintains the Hathini Kund barrage, correct?
I just want to ask to the BJP government, do they acknowledge today that they have not released any water in the eastern front as per the log records?
Sir, now you are not answering my question. I will get in Ramneek Man in just a second, but first you answer my question. You are saying that Mr. Khattar deliberately released more water in the western Yamuna canal to drown Delhi, knowing that his own state will also be affected. Is that what you're saying?
More water, all water in the western front.
Okay.
And all.
So he hurt his own state in order to punish people.
Not to hurt his own state, because you have seen that video, you've shown that video. That particular barrage sends all the 300 cusecs water directly into Delhi. And Delhi, remember,
so first of all, here's the thing.
No rain is happening in Delhi.
Here's the thing. I have one more counter. Again, the BJP would be a really stupid party just before the Lok Sabha election. First of all, there is no assembly election, so I don't know why they are punishing the assembly voters. Which is the election that is coming? The Lok Sabha election. So the BJP is such a stupid party that before the Lok Sabha, they are like, जिस स्टेट में हमारे सातों के सातों सीटें हैं, चलो उसको हम डुबोएं, उनको हम पनिश कर दें, साथ के साथ एमपीज हमें देने के लिए. Because why not?
वो साथ के साथ एमपीज कोई काम नहीं कर रहे ना, वो वैसे ही पनिश होंगे.
अच्छा, तो मोदी जी अपने एमपीज को पनिश कर रहे हैं, कह रहे तुम भी डूबो.
ग्रासरूट पे एक एमपी दिखा आपको आपको दिखे मीनाक्षी लेखी जी ग्रास रूट पे?
You're not answering my question.
No, मैं तो
What is BJP punishing Delhi for? They have all 7 MPs.
I don't want to do a psychological analysis of भारतीय जनता पार्टी.
सर, आपने खट्टर जी का तो पूरा साइकोलॉजिकल एनालिसिस कर दिया कि वो नफरत में डूबी हुई ऐसी पार्टी है कि उन्होंने एकदम हथनी कुंड बराज में से ऐसे पानी आधा इधर और आधा उधर निकाला।
खट्टर जी के विधायकों को थप्पड़ पड़ रहे, लोग मार रहे और पूछ रहे क्यों आए हो अब? क्या आप मना कर रहे हैं ये चीज?
अच्छा, अब आप थप्पड़, अभी आप कंस्पिरेसी थ्योरी से अब आप विधायकों पे चले गए। चलिए।